Hey, let's ride out today, baby. Come on, let's ride out today. No, hey, let's go out here. Let's have a great time together, man. Play for one another, man. Hold each other accountable. Do what we do. Fly around, play fast, hit folks in the mouth, and dominate one play at a time. That's all we can ask for. One play at a time, man. Top 1, 2, 1, 2. Top right.
I don't care if you play the game for the love of the game, for the joy of the game, because you're pissed off, you're angry about something. Find the switch, flip it, somebody else in front of you. Get to the third.
Time to be legendary, family.
Oh, yeah. Give your best self.
It's lit. Game day. We back in action, man. Been a long time coming. Got the club on me today. 12 open, 24/7, so we out here. Let's get it.
Hey, they came for the knockout, but they not prepared to go the distance. We ready to go the distance.
It don't get no bigger. Let's go. Where the guys at, man? Where the guys at? There we go. The biggest. The biggest. The biggest.
You know what's up there. You know what's up there. Come on now. We the 49ers. Clear your mind of everything that's in the past. We're here, right now, in the present. Do your job. Let's smoke these boys. Let's go. Let's go. 9 of the 3, 1, 2, 3. Right down. Right down. Right down. Right down. Yes! I want to see somebody get in today. What we on today? Hey, man, every time, every play. That's all I know. Every play. Best of the 1 on 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Let's go. Now we got to get that ball.
3rd down and 10. Williams can't find anyone. Down he goes. Back at the 10-yard line. First and goal.
Great job of doggone throwing your heart across that doggone goal line.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and great catch.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you. Son got in your eyes, man.
That's how I had to feel it, bro.
Has been killing them. 3rd down and 4. Jennings, 2nd touchdown of the day.
What? Come on, twin. We ain't done. We ain't done. We ain't done. We ain't done. Big play, Jake. Big play, Jake.
Rush right there.
First and goal into the end zone. Directo, his 2nd touchdown today.
Hey, one more. We got to do another one. Let's go.
nothing like practice.
Oh, no, ain't nothing like practice. You heard?
I know
You heard?
I know it. I know it.
Hey, happy birthday, Mom.
Hey, man, glad y'all tough you up a little bit, huh?
Come on now, I ain't trying to, you know.
Let's go, Yee!
Let's go, D! Back to f***ing back, baby! Hey, back to back!
You saved it for last. You saved it for last.
Big nugget! Let's go!
2.5.
Hell yeah.
Probably.
Hey, want to give me that 3, huh?
You know what I'm saying?
Heat. That's that big dog. That's that big dog right there. I gotta get somebody the beast today. We're gonna find out who it is when we get in the locker room. I'd ask y'all who I'm gonna give it to, but I think I already know who I'm gonna give it to. Etur, man. Etur had a hell of a game. That man coming off the edge, getting sacks and all that. Bang, bang, 9 again. That's a faithful win. Let's get it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 2.5, 3.
Maybe 3. I don't know.
We're gonna see.
First playoff done,
Yes,
man.
sir.
Great day.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Take him out. Good shit, Yee.